Hi, my name is Tavisha. I study at Queen Mary, University of London, studying chemistry. Currently, I teach here sciences and English. The reason why I like working at Ideal Centre of Tuition is that it's a very collaborative team, and the way I teach is more tailored approach. So I teach each individual basis, so what they need and what they acquire to learn. And a study trick, I guess, is that studying using exam papers to practice and use that to gain knowledge and how the exam is like approached, and use that and the mark scheme to help you have structured questions.